Up until January of this year, it used to be that employers could require an employee to use their accrued PTO or their accrued vacation before they're able to be eligible to use California paid family leave. Paid family leave is basically subsidization of an employee who is out on a disability leave of absence or a pregnancy-related leave of absence when a doctor basically says this person cannot work for an extended period of time. They are qualified to receive up to 26 weeks of supplemental pay from the state of California through the SDI program. SDI is State Disability Insurance. The old rule used to be that an employer could basically say, look, we want you to exhaust any PTO. If you're going to take this time off, we want to make sure that you don't come back and tell us you're going to go on a cruise the next week and be off for 2 weeks, right? The legislature has decided that that's not fair to employees, and that PTO is something that is sacrosanct and should be protected, and it is the employee's asset that they should be able to choose if they want to or not. And so the legislature came back and said, you can no longer, employer, insist or require that an employee uses PTO or vacation time. You may permit them to use it if they'd like to, because the state didn't change its rule. If you apply for PFL today, you still have a 14-day waiting period before you're eligible to get a payment. So most employees will still choose or elect to use that PTO because they don't want to take it as unpaid time off. But this concept of the employer kind of forcing the issue or making an employee take PTO, that is the revision. Now, what's really interesting is, for those of you who have a CFRA, California Family Rights Act, or FMLA, Family Medical Leave Act policy, I can almost guarantee you that your current policy is drafted in a way that says that an employee must use their paid sick leave or their paid vacation or their paid PTO during those first 2 weeks. You need to go back now and make sure that your employee handbooks have been updated and revised to change this and make it more permissive language. An employee may, as opposed to shall or must.